Hey everyone, check out the Rabbitale 130 PCS Art Painting Kit, perfect for parties and creative fun. This set includes 10 packs of brushes, 10 wood easels, 10 canvas panels, and 10 palettes to inspire endless artistic possibilities. Made with high-quality materials, each piece is durable and safe for all ages and skill levels. Whether you're hosting a birthday or a casual get-together, this kit brings color and excitement to any event. It's ideal for kids and adults alike to express creativity and explore painting talents. Parents and children can bond over fun, shared painting sessions that build confidence. Unlock your imagination and create unforgettable memories with Rabbitale's Art Kit today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.